So in today's video I will show you how to create a new Gmail account. So first of all, you need to come on your Google and on the right corner it will appear log in. You click that button and it will open this tab. You can click right here, create account. Then you select for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. So I will click here for my personal use. Here you can put your first name and here you can put your last name. Here you need to enter your birthday and your gender. So I will put a birthday and gender. You can choose what you want. You can choose one email or create your own Gmail address. I will use this one. Then you click next, choose a password, and then confirm that password. Now you need to confirm that you are not a robot. And you need to put your phone number. Now you just need to enter the code you received on SMS. If this video helped, like and subscribe.